bigger than that?
I can't even read these.
Yeah, there.
We're supposed to put everybody's name on here. We can't even see their name or how to spell their name. So how are we gonna put the name on here?
RIZWAN.
My name is Rizwan. I choose my own hotel where I work. Five-star hotel, Sambal Sena Hotel, and it has different chains in Africa and Asia. And it has the title of the leading hotel of the world. So you can see some different views of Sambal Sena Hotel. It has 480 rooms and a lot of halls and all those things to meet those standards. So. And these are different Sena hotel chains in Africa and Asia. You can see Nairobi in Kenya, Uganda, again Kenya, and Tajikistan. So the thing is that why I choose that hotel, because I want to go to different countries, especially for the same chain, and I work for the development of same hotel. And the good thing in this hotel is that it's owned by one person. They don't give franchise, so that the 100% share of all hotels is owned by one person, and he has his own corporate policy for those hotels. So
I may have missed something. What is it you want to do for them? You want to, oh, it's right there, okay.
okay. I was working for health and safety, and when I go back to my country, I want to work for front office duty manager, and there are a lot of tasks, so I have to write it. The task mostly the front office does is guest service and hotel operations. He gives direct reporting to GM, and he gets queries from different guests. He works for the cleanliness, and he checks